Alright, today we're looking at a certified pre-owned Honda Civic Honda CRV. It's a CRV EXL, all-wheel drive. Okay, it's got 69,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, 2 previous owners. Alright, it's all-wheel drive. Let's go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. Got the nice chrome trim around the windows. It is equipped with sunroof. Alright, driver's side's in great shape. Make our way across the rear of the vehicle. It is equipped with backup camera. Okay, did mention it was all-wheel drive. It's an EXL, navigation. Alright, once again, it's a 2014, certified, 69,000 miles, clean Carfax, 2 previous owners. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, got the dark brown beige two-tone door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Got your ECON button here. All right, carpet's nice and clean. Got the beige leather power driver's seat. Driver's seat's in great shape. Got your sunroof here. Go ahead and give you a shot of that. All right. Does have 2 keyless entry key fobs. Okay. Center console storage here. Got power outlet, auxiliary, and USB in there. Plenty of storage. Passenger seat's in great shape. It does have heated seats, automatic, dual climate controls. It's going to have your navigation and backup camera right here. Radio display, we'll show you all that in just a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel, got your cruise control there. Steering wheel audio and Bluetooth on this side. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Alright, it's got 69,053 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, I'll go ahead and show you the different display screens here. There's your radio display there. Pan down a little bit, got your navigation here. Okay, go ahead and activate the backup camera. Alright, it's got the guidelines on there as well. Alright, does have CD player. Dual climate controls here. Once again, we mentioned it was automatic. And then got your heated seats here. Okay, let's go ahead and hop out. We'll take a look in the back seat. Backseat door panels are in great shape. Carpet back here nice and clean, no stains. Backseat leather's in really good shape as well. Alright, center console comes down, got the cup holders here. Go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and layout. This thing's in great condition to be a 14 with 69,000 miles. Interior, exterior in fantastic shape. Alright, carpet back here looks really good. Got your spare tire and jack under here. Got your sunshade here as well. Okay, and as you can see, there's a ton of room in the back of these CRVs. All right, you can put the seats down real easy. There's handles on both sides here. Simply pull the handle. The seats will fall down themselves, okay? And once those seats go down, you'll really open up the space back here. All right, the seats are light, but they're very durable. You can simply just pull them right up. They'll click into place. All right, and then you can move on. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. 17-inch alloys. Okay, alloys are in great shape. Tires are great, plenty of tread left on them. Once again, it's a 2014, certified, 69,000 miles. This thing's in phenomenal shape, inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.